What's up, everyone? So 2 days ago I bought a Mustang and we are going to pick it up. My brother's with me, my wife, and my kiddos. So we're gonna see how well this trip is gonna turn out. Okay guys, we made it to Copart. I got this paid for, got my pull-out slip. We're gonna give it to the forklift driver and they're gonna pull the car out. Today is Friday. They're pretty busy. There's a lot of big trucks with huge trailers and 2 forklift drivers. But yeah, what I bought was a 2005 Ford Mustang that I'm sure you guys saw in the title. I already checked it out in person. Fluids are good. It's a little low on gas, so I brought some gas with me. And we're still gonna check oil, transmission fluid, all of that, just in case something happened since the last time I saw it. And then we're gonna attempt to drive it back. Should get home, but we'll see. Here it is, guys. Just anyway. That's pretty good, right? Okay, here we go, guys. Just check the fluids. Everything is good. When I came and looked at it, it needed a jump, but then it started on its own. So we're gonna see if it'll start on its own. I'm gonna go in the back because I think it has a custom exhaust, some kind of exhaust. Nothing? Okay, it needs a jump. We're gonna get the jump box. Drink up, pony. My brother's not happy with that comment. Got some gas in it. Got the jump box on. Let's hear it roar. If it'll do that. Not bad. Sounds pretty good for a V6. Kind of sounds like a V8. I kind of feel a slight rumble in my chest. Pretty good. We are ready to roll out. Yay! Yay! My brother's gonna drive the Mustang to my place. So let's see if she will make it home. The Mustang made it on its own. So this is the damage right here. And then a few scuffs on the bumper.